It's that time of year again. I'm at Disney for not so wine and dine weekend, so we have mixed emotions about that, especially arriving today and all the excitement, and I'm just tired. So I think it's playing a big role being tired, but I am excited to be here. I am in room 4642 in the Jamaica section of Disney's Caribbean Beach, and I am on the second floor, and I had to have Bell Services help me because there's only stairs, so that's a good thing to know. This is an older resort, so there's no elevators, and there's 17 steps, and with heavy luggage, no thank you. So especially being by myself, I didn't want to risk it, so I had them help me, and they are very sweet and gave me a ride from check-in. So let's get started.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
Okay, when you first walk in the room, you notice 2 beds, and these are all remodeled since the last time I was here, so it's different. And then you have a nice little area with the window, and it's very Polynesian vibes with the textures and colors. Then you have your pineapple table with 2 chairs. Don't mind my luggage over here, and my little backpack with my mask on top. And it just goes over the cleaning procedures they've done, and it's the top of the pineapple that is really pretty. And there's me in the mirror. Okay, coming over, we are charging our phone. These are all new with the USB and the plugins. And then you have 2 drawers that hold pillows, and then that one's empty, and that is for this baby right here, which pulls down, and you have Mickey Mouse and Pluto, but we don't need that, so okay, that's good. You have a little bench when you're not using that with drawers. There's 3 of them, and there's the TV. It's around 6:45, 70 degrees, feels cool out, and the clean remote with the wrap. Come over here, you got a pretty little picture with your coffee machine and Joffrey's and tea. Oh, they're making these hard. Oh, well, duh. That's the refrigerator. It tricks you. Please tell me I'm not the only one that's tricked by that. So here's another overlook. And you do have fans in these rooms. And you have the phone and then the USB and plugs right there as well. And then you come into this room, and you have 2 sinks. They still hand out the H2O lotion, which is very nice to take home as a souvenir, and then the hand soap. And speaking of hand soap, we're probably going to go to Disney Springs and see if we can buy the pump, because I'm just dermophobic right now with all that's going on, so we'll see. And then you have a lighted mirror, which is very nice for the ladies, towels, and Kleenex, hairdryer, extra towels, extra storage. And then if you need a lock, they have these. That's how big it is. Iron board, extra pillows and blankets. And then I love having all this space to hang my dresses later tonight so they can not get wrinkled. And then you come over here and you have the bathroom There we go. So you have the shower curtain is like palm leaves. You open it up. You have your favorites, and it says they've been cleaned. Tile, nice size bath, and shower head. And then extra towels. So, plus, turn that off. Full-size mirror, which really does help getting ready. So, you can see my colorful shoes with my pants. Had to be colorful for Caribbean. And forgot to mention, you have these barn-style drawers. So let's see if that ain't much privacy. Okay, well, close as you can see through a little if you had somebody, and then they'd be peeping through there, and they'd be peeping through there. That's gonna do it for this room tour of Disney's Caribbean Beach, just a standard view. But it's pretty so far. It's dark out, so I can't really tell, but I think I have palm trees, and I think the water's that way. But we'll find out tomorrow. So, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and please click subscribe. See y'all later. Bye!